Do I need an agreement to file for divorce in Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa attorney James Wirth, and that is the question that we have received. And the answer is no, you don't need an agreement. I mean, if you're filing for divorce, most of the time that means you're not agreeing on a lot of things. Obviously, if you do have an agreement regarding all of the terms, custody, visitation, child support, asset debt division, attorney's fees, spousal support, everything, then it can make it a faster, simpler process. You still got to file with the court though, but then you can work on an agreed decree. Both parties sign off on it, present it to the judge after the waiting period. But most of the time that's not the case. Most of the time parents and couples are not getting along. That's why they're filing for divorce. And there's nothing preventing you from filing just because you're not getting along. If you're not getting along, that's when you file. And when you're not in agreement on the terms, that's when you go to court, put on a trial, and let the judge make that determination. Now, through the court process, there's lots of opportunities to settle. Usually mediation is ordered, particularly in Tulsa County. That's a requirement before trial. And you get a lot of time to negotiate to see if an agreement can be reached. And most of the time, cases do ultimately result in agreed final order rather than going all the way to trial. But at the front end, usually the parties are not in agreement, and it's not unusual that they file for divorce while they're not in agreement. There's nothing preventing them from doing so. So the answer to the question is, do I need an agreement to file for divorce? You do not. But if you're dealing with this circumstance here, you're going to want to talk to an attorney privately and confidentially about your specifics to get legal advice specific to your case. If you would like to talk to an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.